Welcome to another episode on Yusuf Onabekun's YouTube channel, and I'm your awesome iPad Facebook specialist, focused on getting your result across board. So, on today's video, we'll be talking about how to know which placement gives you the conversion you are looking for. So, let's say you are converting for sales, for leads, for particular objective. So, how do you know that? So, I will use this example, this call campaign example, this Facebook FB course. So, let's say you come down here now, and you want to know that all you have to do is choose the duration in which you want to do about that, and you click on this breakdown. Now this breakdown, it has various things in it. It has the country, the day, the this, and the that, and that. So it helps you to, so when you click on the placement, you're able to quickly know. You can see that it has the breakdown based on each one. So like this now, they tell you that 617 conversion happened with Facebook feeds, and when you scroll down, you're able to see the big breakdown. Now, one of the benefits of this particular concept or this particular idea when it comes to on knowing this is that it helps you to know where to focus your budget in the long run. So let's say if I want to scale this down, instead of trying to like cut my budget across board, I just need to check where most of the actions occur. Now you can check, you can see that, you can see the placements. I've seen that most of the action occur on Facebook feeds, and for this particular campaign, and yeah, Facebook feed seems to take a whole bunch of it, and maybe Facebook reels, although it's negligible for Facebook reels and audience network. So this particular campaign has Facebook feed and most of its audience or most of its results, and this particular one also seems to follow same suit, as you can see, like that. So it kind of give you an insight into what it is. So let's say you choose a whole country and you want to know which region of the country. Now you can even know the country if you are running for various countries, although I'm running for only Nigeria. But when you move further down, you're able to know the demographic or the region that did most of the conversion for you. So when you click on that now, you can see that we know, oh, this is the top five state, this is top five countries. So these are the benefit of this breakdown. Under this breakdown, you can see even the device used, the time zone, and various things like that. So you just need to be able to come here, look at it based on whatever you're trying to do or whatever you're trying to see, and it makes it very easy for you. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video.